And verse 14. Radha Karavachita Radha Karavachita Palava Valarike Radha Padanka Vilasan Madurastalike Radha Yasho Mukaramatta Kagagavalike Radha Vihara Vipane Ramatam Manome. Saraswati Pad is telling, may my mind find happiness in Vrindavan, the play forest of Radharani, Bihar Vipana, Bihar Vrindavan. What is this playground? This playground of Vrindavan is where the vines, the lata, the valari, palava, the flower buds, and the creepers have all been touched by Radharani's hand. Radhakara. Kara means hand. Hot, kara. Same as Bengali, Sanskrit, same, kara, like kartal. So, palava means bud. That's one distinguishing quality, Vishesh Gun, Vrindavan Vishesh Gun. This champak tree, this Madhavi Lata, Kadamba pear, there's Kadamba pear here, there's Neem pear, there's Tamal pear, Laga pear, Bitar. And all Radharani Sparsha, Kara Sparsh. So they're all in Madhurya Bhav, Magana. They're all submerged in the Madhurya. Then it says that this ground, this Brajduli, the land of Vrindavan, it's become Madhur. It's become Madhu, very sweet. It's become sweet. This is Bhagavan Icha. In India, because you can't adjust anything, so you say Bhagavan Icha, the Uparwala. So, this Braj Dhuli, this Braj Bhumi, the land of Vrindavan, it's sweet. It's sweet with Madhura Vilasan. It says, Radha Padanka Vilasan Madhura Stalike. These stalis, lila stalis, Govinda stali, Rasa stali, Julan stali, Dan Gati stali. These places of Krishna's pastimes are very sweet because of Radharani's contact with Radharani's padanka, her lotus feet. Just like if you take a gulabjamun or you take a rasgulla and you take the juice and rub it all over your body, the ras, then your body becomes sweet. So Radharani's feet are moving all over Braj, in the Julan Lila Stali, in the Rasa Lila Stali, and everywhere this ground of Vrindavan, it's touched, it's marked by Radharani's footprints. Radharani's footprints, Padanka, Pada Anka, her marks of her feet, they're sweet. Not only they're sweet by two things, by her bhav and by her lila. Radharani's bhav is Madhurya bhav, or Mahabhav. And the lilas are Madhurya lila. The Rasa lila, all the lilas, Krishna and Gopiyan, they're all very, very sweet. Very, very sweet. And then he says, these birds, the birds you see, the pakshi, tota, koil, chiriya, alaga birds, other birds, they go mad. They go mata. Why? Because of mukara, their mouth, Radha Yasho, Radharani's fame. They're singing about Leela. They're singing this gun, Paki gun. The song of the Paki is Leela gun, Madhurya Leela gun, the song of Krishna's Madhurya Leela. And they're going mad. So then Saraswati Pad is telling his mind, stay here. This is Chanchalaman. Krishna is telling in Gita, and in the Bhagavad Gita he says Chanchalamana. Krishna is telling Chanchalahi Mana Krishna, Pramati Balavan Dridam. Arjuna is telling. Krishna says, Arjuna, control your mind. Give up this petty weakness of the heart. Arise, O chastiser of the enemy. Pick up your Gandiva. Shoot your bana. Shoot your arrows. He said, oh, I don't want. Vishad. This first chapter, Adhyaya, chapter 1, Adhyaya, Gita, is Vishad. Vishad yoga vibhag, vishad. Despair, lamentation, despair, vishad. So Krishna, he tells him, control your mind by abhyas, yoga abhyas. By every day doing sadhana bhakti, control your mind. Then Arjuna says, oh, my teacher, my guru, ami shishya, but aapka guru, apne guru, ami shishya. But I am both Vibram. I'm very bewildered. Chanchal hi mana Krishna, my mind is chanchal. Either, upar, niche, piche, age. It's all over the place.